Alrighty, girls. So, have either of you heard of a habitat before? Yeah. Can either of you define it or give me examples? Okay, let's
it's like an animal's home.
Look, we're gonna put these inside because look, these are mostly shells anyways. A habitat's what?
It's like an animal's home.
It's like an animal's home. Just animals, or are there other things that could live in a habitat? Do you guys know?
Okay.
It's okay if you don't. Plants? So plants and animals?
Yeah.
That's super cool. Can you give me examples of a type of habitat?
No.
No? What about you, Annika?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, that's okay. So you were right. A habitat is a home for animals or plants or other organisms. And there are 6 different kinds of habitats. There's a coniferous forest, which is kind of like where we live in Ashland. We live in that type of habitat. And it's a forest that has trees that have mostly pine needles and cones. Okay? Then there's a deciduous forest. Let's not tap that, please. There's a deciduous forest that has trees that lose their leaves. So, can you guys think of a type of tree that loses its leaves?
No. Every single tree.
Like a maple tree?
Every single tree.
What about pine trees? Do pine trees lose their leaves?
They don't have any.
No, because they have needles, huh? But they're a type of tree still.
Apple tree.
An apple tree loses its leaves. Good job. A tropical rainforest is a type of habitat. Can you guys think of what lives in a tropical rainforest? Okay, no more with the pencil, please.
Tree frogs.
Tree frogs? Those are super cute. Those are my favorite. Yeah, that's a good example. Another type of habitat is a hot desert and a tundra and a savanna. Do you guys know what those are?
Yep.
Yeah? Yep. Okay, moving on. So can you describe, wait, do you guys remember which habitat Ashland is?
Ashland?
Yeah. What type of habitat or climate it is?
Ashland.
It's a coniferous forest. So, can you guys think of one type of animal and one type of plant that live in that type of habitat?
Bear.
A bear, yeah. You guys have one that comes
Cougar.
into your backyard sometimes. Cougar, that's a
I
good
thought
one.
you meant deer. Kill a deer.
Deer, okay, we're gonna stop there.
Oh,
Wait, what about a plant?
Mars. Earth.
No, what's a type of plant that live, like what about in your backyard?
Grapevine.
Grapevines can grow here, what else? What else
We
is
have in our backyard.
common to like a forest?
Bamboo.
Not bamboo. You have bamboo in your
Rainforest.
Okay, Mila.
Trees.
Trees, what kind of trees? Remember, we talked about it. Coniferous forests have trees that have cones, like pine cones. So pine trees. Okay, Mila, that's enough with the pencils, please. So, I'm going to have you guys look at some pictures, and you're going to tell me if you would see these things in a coniferous forest, so like in Ashland. So here's a picture of, let me get closer to the camera. Picture of cacti, sorry. Okay, what do you think? Do you girls think that that could be in a coniferous forest?
No.
No, why not?
Because it doesn't have leaves.
They don't have leaves. Well, what about like, why else? What does it say down here?
They need sun.
They need a lot of sun.
And hot weather.
Yeah, hot weather.
And they need
Mila,
rain.
they need like dry weather. Is it dry and hot here all the time? Not really, huh?
Ooh,
Okay.
Look.
Now oh, do we have a cactus over there? It's a cute little baby one. But you guys are able to control the climate it lives in inside, huh? Because it's a little guy. Okay, moving on to our next one. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, we have this picture.
Alright, look on the back.
Ooh, secret. Okay. Does that look like it could live in a coniferous forest habitat?
Yeah.
Do those trees look like they could live here?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, because we've seen them before. Like 5 over there.
There's like 5 over there. Yeah, those are outside. Okay, what about this picture on the back?
This is the pigs on the back.
Could that live here?
Yeah.
Why? Read what it says. See if that helps you.
Because there's grass to eat.
There's grass to eat here.
And an area to drink water.
Yes, there's the stream, right, that they drink water from.
Bear Creek.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna put that there. Okay, next we have this guy.
Hey, there's something on the back.
I know, they're double-sided. So,
It's a bear and then there's a tiger on the back.
shh, don't give away the secret. Okay, do you think a bear could live here?
Yeah.
Why?
We've seen them
You've seen them here, yeah.
in our backyard.
Okay,
And
Mila.
our front yard.
Let's keep our inside voices, please. You've seen them in your backyard, so they could live here, but why?
Here's
Let's
the
read
back.
what it says.
I want to see because they need plants to eat and berries.
Yep,
And
an
area
area
to
to get fish.
And they poop in our backyard.
Oh, yep, they do actually. That's great. Okay,
It's not great.
what about this one? Could this live in a coniferous forest?
Yes.
Yep, it could.
Well, not here.
Not here.
Not here.
So, why do you think it could live in this habitat?
What?
Why do you think it could live in this habitat? Mila, that's enough with the pencil. Stop rolling it around, please.
Because there's deer.
There is deer, but do tigers usually eat deer, or do they eat other animals?
Other animals from deer.
Other animals than deer. So do you think that a tiger would live here?
No.
Probably not. They tend to eat larger hooved prey. Okay. What about this guy?
I want chips.
Okay, after this you can have chips, okay?
No. Can I get
Okay.
chips and then put it?
Do,
I'll get a bowl
do you
and then I'll
see
put it right there.
these live here? Squirrels?
Yes. I didn't
Calm
know
down.
it.
Okay, why are they able to live here?
Because there's trees and nuts.
Good job. So why couldn't a squirrel live in the desert
Because
or a
there's not that
tropical
many
rainforest?
trees and there's no nuts.
Yeah. Okay. So based on all the things we looked at of what can, I'm gonna move back over here, of what can live here and what can't. So what are the reasons why an animal or a plant is successful in living in a habitat? So what are the reasons why an animal or plant can live in a certain habitat?
Because there's water.
There's water,
Food.
food. So maybe a specific type of food that they need?
Yeah.
Remember, because we said the squirrel needs what kind of food? Nuts. So the squirrel probably couldn't live in another type of habitat if there's no nuts, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. And then the tiger needs bigger animals, so it's probably not gonna live in an area where there aren't those animals. Right? Right. Good job. All right. That is our science lesson today.
Bye.
Pie. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, Mila.